Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make egg biryani. It is simple to make and easy ingredient to find in your house, in your fridge, in your pantry. So for the ingredient we're gonna need lots of onion, finely sliced. We need some potatoes. I have added some salt and food color, and then just mix that, let that on the side. We need a hard boiled egg. We need chili powder, a little bit of turmeric powder, a little bit of salt, and that's for the egg marination. We also need basmati rice, which is soaking in water for half an hour, and this is étoiles-Anis and elaichi or cardamom. One is stick of cinnamon, one bay leaf. That's for the rice. We also need some chopped coriander, a little bit of chopped mint. These tomatoes are going to blend. Lots of green chilies, depending on how much spicy you want. I like to have lots of green chilies in this egg biryani. It's a little bit different compared to chicken biryani and meat biryani. So we need few more ingredients to go, which I'm gonna bring here after. First thing I'm gonna go do is fry the onion. So the oil is preheating. So let's go to the stove so we can get started. I have about 1.5 cup oil preheating. You can add half oil and half ghee. Today I'm just using oil. And now I'm gonna add this onion. We're gonna fry this until golden brown. The water is boiling, and that's for the rice. You can add all of these ingredients here before the water started to boil. I'm gonna add some salt according to your taste, and now we're gonna boil this rice. Stir the rice right away when you add your rice to your boiled water, so that way the rice doesn't stick to each other. They became like grainy. And now let's marinate this egg. First I want to just use a knife and just put some mark in it. Add this spices here, salt, turmeric, and chili powder. And I'm just gonna mix everything. And the rice is ready. The rice cooked close to 90%, like between 85 and 90%. And now it's time to drain the rice. And also the onion is ready. I'm just gonna drain the oil and set it on a plate. I'm gonna fry the potatoes in the same oil. And the potatoes took me 4 minutes. We are not frying this like 100%, just a little bit, like halfway. And remove and set on the side. Next I'm going to fry the egg, and it's been 5 minutes, and now I'm removing the egg. And now to the same oil, I just remove a little bit of oil because it seems to be too much. I'm gonna add 1 bay leaf and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And now I'm adding the tomato that I have blended, and also ginger and garlic paste. Mix. Next I'm gonna add garam masala powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and chili powder. Mix. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. This is not hot, this is just for color. And then I'm gonna add 3/4 of the fried onion. I'm gonna save some. Okay, mix. I'm gonna add the potatoes. I'm gonna add some water. And also the green chilies. A little bit of chopped coriander. Give it a mix. You can leave the heat over medium to medium high. I'm gonna add this yogurt. I'm gonna add some salt, which I forgot earlier. Mix. The oil started to separate it from the gravy. Now I'm gonna add the fried egg. Now it's time to put the rice. Spread the rice evenly. I'm gonna add this chopped mint, chopped coriander. I didn't have too much chopped mint, so just a little bit. And I'm gonna continue adding the rice over. Rest of the fried onion. Try to spread it, and also the rest of the chopped coriander and chopped mint, whatever left. A little bit of food color dissolved in water. And now I'm gonna cover and let it cook, just like on dum, like we call dum biryani. So put the heat over a little bit more than low heat, less than medium heat, and then let it cook. And the biryani took 10 minutes, and then I turned the heat off and I let it sit on the stove for 5 minutes, just so it stays on dum. And now let's go check it out. Let me show you how the biryani is inside. Just be careful so the egg doesn't break. I'm gonna start plating it. And that's the biryani is ready. The egg biryani is ready. You guys have to try this. This is so good. It's smelling so good right here, and I can't wait to go have dinner. Hope you enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check my Cuisine Laila channel for more recipes in Creole. And ingredient for this recipe will be down below in the description box. I will see you next time. Bye.